Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Certified Security Specialty. You can download the complete list of AWS based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Certified Security Specialty is: how do you secure Amazon RDS database instances? Your answer should be to secure Amazon RDS database instances. You can implement the following security measures. Enable encryption at rest using AWS KMS managed keys to protect data stored in the RDS instance. Use SSL TLS encryption for data in transit by enabling SSL support in the RDS instance and configuring clients to use SSL connections. Implement network security by placing RDS instances within private subnets, using security groups to control inbound and outbound traffic, and leveraging VPC security features. Apply least privilege IAM permissions to control access to RDS resources, ensuring that only authorized users and applications can interact with the database. Our next interview question is: what is AWS Cloud Formation and how does it contribute to security management? Your answer should be: AWS Cloud Formation is a service that enables you to define and provision AWS infrastructure as code using templates. It contributes to security management by allowing you to codify security best practices and compliance requirements into infrastructure templates. Cloud formation templates can include IAM roles, security groups, encryption settings, and other security configurations, ensuring consistent and secure deployment across environments. Our next interview question is: how do you ensure compliance with regulatory requirements such as GDPR or HIPAA on AWS? Your answer should be to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements such as GDPR, that is General Data Protection Regulation, or HIPAA, that is Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. On AWS, you can implement the following measures. First one is: use AWS services and features designed for compliance, such as AWS Artifact for accessing compliance reports and AWS Config for monitoring and assessing compliance. Next one is: implement encryption for sensitive data at rest and in transit using AWS KMS or AWS services with built-in encryption capabilities. Next one is: configure access controls and IAM policies to restrict access to sensitive data based on regulatory requirements and the principle of least privilege. Next one is: regularly audit and monitor AWS resources using services like AWS CloudTrail and Amazon Guard Duty to detect and respond to security incidents and compliance violations. Our next interview question is: what is AWS Shield and how does it protect against DDoS attacks? Your answer should be: AWS Shield is a managed distributed denial of service DDoS protection service that safeguards applications running on AWS from large and sophisticated DDoS attacks. AWS Shield provides two tiers of protection: AWS Shield Standard, which is automatically enabled for all AWS customers at no additional cost, and AWS Shield Advanced, which offers enhanced DDoS protection, 24/7 support, and advanced threat intelligence. If you are preparing for any AWS-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.